So today I would like to share about my feeling, what I have learned within this 1 month I have become a YouTuber, and of course in last I would like to share about how YouTuber actually how they earn through YouTube. So first, if you do not know who am I or why I'm here to become a YouTuber, you can refer to the link above. I will share the link, then you can click and listen to who I am. So let's begin with the topic. First of all, I would like to say thank you to all of my friends who supported me, and of course all of the subscribers, because from the past 1 month I have already achieved 79 subscribers and of course 66 hour watch hour. Although it's not a very boom result, but for me it's very good. Thank you. So first of all, I've become a YouTuber for 1 month, and I actually have learned a lot. First of all is speaking. I'm a very introvert person, okay, since small, but right now I'm able to talk in front of camera, okay, and able to say what I want to say, okay, express myself. So I think this is a very good opportunity for me to learn, okay, and practice more and speak more and become more fluent. And of course I also learned about how to create some content and experience how to teach about ukulele and my sharing. And for the hard skill, for example, I know how to do the videography right I'm doing now. Then also, and of course, some data analysis from YouTube and Facebook. And if you guys are interested in that topic, I also have one link you can refer. Then of course, besides that, I also learned some editing skill, like using some software, and of course do some the transition, how to attract people to look at your thumbnail, some sort of thing. Yep. So actually I have 6 playlists in my YouTube channel. There are 3 playlists called Zero to Hero Ukulele channel, but actually these playlists have 3 languages. So first one is Chinese, my mother tongue. So for that one is especially for all my friends, and of course friends from Taiwan and China, and of course some Singaporean. Then second is English, so it's more for international one. Then last but not least is Malay. Malay is for my friends also in Malaysia, then of course in Indonesia. So why I have 3 languages is because I truly believe that by throughout learning or sharing, language shouldn't be a barrier. Although I know that actually I can just do the content, then I have subtitles about the languages that can understand. But for me, for my learning experience, I prefer to go to the tutor that I am able to listen and understand. So I'm kind of that thinking, so my sharing will more towards that direction. The 4th playlist is weekly ukulele journal. That one is to record and also to share about my ukulele practice about a song. So why the purpose of doing this is because right now, after MCO, we are become maybe lost our job, and we felt that very depressed, okay, not so motivated. So I'm here, I would like to motivate everyone that actually we can achieve our dream just through practicing 5 to 10 minutes a day. So ukulele is one of the instruments that I want to learn and I want to share with you guys. So right now I'm doing what I'm doing, practicing 5 to 10 minutes every day. So every weekend, that is my show time, or it's my result, okay, my examination, to show that I did this practice, so this is my results. So also to encourage, actually we can just take action that we will have certain results. Then the 5th playlist is about Mother Nature and I. I am a farmer. I work in a farm. Okay, I help people to manage their farm. So when I have some ideas about maybe recently I've uploaded some dogs videos because I'm a very dog lover. So Mother Nature and I is a playlist that I share about my work or some animals. It's about Mother Nature. Last but not least is learning through Zoom with Bruce. So Do you guys know who is Bruce Shimapukuro? If you do know, you can Google and search. He's Jake's brother. Jake is the world #1 ukulele player in the world. So Bruce is his younger brother. So actually, since MCO, he has started his online sharing classes, teach how to play ukulele, and I also started to learn with him. So that playlist is about some of the video that I recorded through Zoom, and I would like to share with you guys around the world that actually there's a very good teacher in Hawaii and he's teaching. So maybe some of you might miss the class, and right now I believe that a lot of you guys are working because MCO period is already over. We all have to go back to the work. So the video you can like watch back when you're free. Okay, I hope that it can help you in your ukulele journal. And last topic is how do YouTubers actually how they earn. For the information that I can provide to you, it's about 1,000 view is equal to 1 USD. So if you are an adult like me, I need to earn for a living, I need to pay for my family. So if like that, I just give a rough idea lah. Maybe you need at least 1,000 USD per month. Maybe that is the minimum requirement, I believe. So it's about 4,000 Malaysian ringgit. So how to achieve that kind of amount? You need to have 1 million view every month. Every month. For a young YouTuber or you're a new starter like me, it's very hard to achieve. I give you my figure lah. For now, I've been like 1 month and few days. Okay, my total view is about 2k plus. So actually, for the past 1 month, I've spent like 3 to 4 hours every day, and I only earn 2 USD. So it's not so easy. So actually, how they actually survive for a full-time YouTuber? Some of them will have become an ambassador. Like for example, if this is a Nike shirt, then I'm wearing this Nike shirt every video that I record. Then I can say, hey guys, I'm the Nike ambassador. So I would like to share with you this quality. How then? If you like to earn, if you like to like check it out, maybe you can refer to the link below. Yeah. So some YouTubers like to get sponsor to support their video, and some would like to like have some open boxing session, okay, just to share the product that their sponsor want, and some will like have their own product. For example, if I'm a tutor, I can teach online, then maybe I will share some link about my real product. Then I would like to use YouTube as a platform to share, to brand myself, and to link and bring them to my maybe website or my classroom. Yep. So that is some of the method that a lot of YouTubers using. And of course, there's one more method called affiliate marketing. I believe some of you might have heard before. So actually, affiliate marketing is like you're just sharing a link. You don't have a store or anything. Maybe a courses that you can learn through online. So they want to promote, but they don't have a promoter. So as an affiliate marketer, I will get a link. Okay, then I help maybe the educator to share about the information. So throughout the convention, like I share the content to those who need, and I am the middle person. So I earn some commission throughout their conversion. Yeah, that is affiliate marketing. So these are the few methods that a lot of YouTubers using to at least earn some income to help them to survive in this very challenging worldwide market. Actually, right now I'm learning from a teacher called Xiao Chuan. If you guys can understand Chinese, okay, maybe you can check it out, the link below. Yeah, so she is the one who actually teach me a lot of this knowledge. Her achievement was achieve 1k subscriber within 3 weeks, then 10k subscriber within I think 2.5 months. Then right now it's nearly 300k for a year. So his significant results. Okay, very proof that she's a legit very good teacher. So if you guys are interested, maybe you can check the link below. So I hope that my sharing can really help you to understand how a YouTuber actually earn and how they earn, how they like survive in this challenging world. I hope you like my video and thank you. Bye bye.